So it's Wednesday, October the 15th, about 6 o'clock in the morning. I was in the back of the house in my bedroom, and about 10 minutes ago, I started noticing the ringing getting louder and louder. Now, the closer this drone gets, when it locks onto my brain for torture, my ears start ringing loud. And sure enough, what happens every single morning is I was in the back of the house, and all of a sudden I heard this ringing getting louder and louder, and I was like, okay, the drone's on me. It just locked onto me. I come out here, and sure enough, it's hovering extremely low. Now, are you going to call this a star? Look how low it is. These are not stars. These are not satellites. These are drones. Right there. This is the same drone that last week I went over to, I drove down to Decatur. It's hovering near Decatur. So I drove down to Decatur to go to the Walmart. And it was early morning. It was still dark. Actually, I drove down there at about 5:45 a.m. No, 5:50 a.m. It was dark like this, and that drone was literally hovering above the parking lot across the street. And there's this strip mall across the street from the Walmart, and it was like probably literally a few hundred feet. It was not a plane. It's not a helicopter. It's not a satellite. This is a drone. Obama, when he was president, ordered 30,000 drones like this for the United States for surveillance and torture. This is an Obama torture drone right here. And it's crippling me. I have a handicap placard in my car, in my vehicle. Whenever if I need to park in parking, I hang it up on my mirror. But that handicap placard is due to these drone attacks. They've literally crippled me. Oh God, now my arm is starting to hurt. It's attacking my left arm. You see how while I'm filming it, it's starting to like move over to the tree branch, to kind of like hide. That is low. Talking about probably 500 feet max.